Hello everyone, I am Tathagat and this is Frame, a fully autonomous repo maintenance engine built for maintainers. Now we already know how hectic it is for maintainers to maintain their repository these days, and that is where Frame comes into play. Now, before we get started, we need to make sure that Frame is locally installed into your desktop. Now, I have already installed it right here, but you may install it via the use of instructions in my README file. Now, we will start by simply typing Frame status, which will give us all the details that we need. And here, as you can see, the project access token and the project ID you will need to manually input to get started. Now, starting with triage, it is a feature that basically labels all the unlabeled issues or labels an issue that is explicitly stated. Now, to use it, we basically type frame triage that basically triggers the flow on a random issue. Now, if we look upon it on issue 10, we may see that the flow has been triggered. And now, when we look at the end, we see something like this. And that was the triage feature. Now, as you can already guess, this feature basically gives a review of an MR that is asked by the user. So the user may decide whether to merge this MR or not. To use it, just simply go to your terminal and type frame review the ID of that MR, which is 16 right here, and then it triggers the flow on issue MR number 16. And when we go to check it right there, it has been triggered right here. And once it's done, it looks something like this. Now, the pipeline fix feature is basically used to detect any pipeline failures or any vulnerabilities that may fail the pipeline. In order to use it, we just simply type frame fix at the ID of the MR, which is simply here, and that triggers the pipeline fix flow. And on checking upon it, we can see right here that the flow has started, which will output in an issue and an MR, which we can see right here. Starting with the Repo Copilot feature, it basically labels any unlabeled issues, reviews MRs, as well as fixing pipeline failures on a daily basis without any human intervention needed in between. To use it, simply type frame activate along with the schedule in matter of hours or days. Let us say we do 2 days, and that sets it in a loop of 2 days. Now that has been set, we can just simply see here that it has been enabled. Yeah. Now let us say if the maintainer is back and wants to take better control, he may just simply write frame deactivate, and then he can just maintain the repo on his own. And that's Frame, the first fully autonomous repo copilot. Remember to check us out while we handle your maintenance.